Please, I beg you.
Was beat.
Saninye. I know you're telling me.
I got a pizza gift yesterday, so I'm having pizza for breakfast. It's a random rainy morning. I came out to get my tripod stand from the car and my shoes, having coffee. Do you know I edited that vlog last night? Yeah, I edited the vlog last night. I uploaded it last night, went to bed by like 2 a.m. and somehow before 7 this morning I was awake. And I've been working. But let me see if I am able to take a nap at some point before we go out. Chef Pearl in the kitchen. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Took a power nap and did some more work, and now I'm ready to go outside. And Pearl is here giving me instructions of how to take care of her chickens when she's not here because she's going home. You see life. But Seven and her friends are outside already, so let's go to the park. I'm carrying my school bag with laptop and everything because remember my focus today is to go and walk where I'm going to, so wish me luck with this walking plan. We move. My God. They said they should stop the abuse of road safety officers.
Yeah, at our final destination, Lufasi Nature Park.
Right now, we do have two people.
Come down.
I'm not crossing. I want to go. Only two people got it right. Very good. It's fast enough. I'm just
Coming outside to touch grass, and I have. And here with me, the squad. That's a blue dragonfly. Wow, that's so cool. Yeah, I've never seen blue before too.
And yellow.
And we captured it. Oh, it's moving, it's moving. Alright, let's go. Let me take a video of your shirt. No, Tara. Check the fit. So we are going to go. It's the name of the park now, so that you know where you are. Okay, our tickets. Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you.
Oh, we're leaving it with you?
No.
Okay. All right. They will still check it? Yeah. Okay. Really?
When we are going, we see people in the riverbank side.
It's very hard to get adults to do the right thing sometimes. But not just adults, people as a whole. It's quite hard sometimes to get them to do. Huh? They are having a party. This looks like a fun party they are having over there.
Yes.
Kevin don't marching ahead.
Finish all the white
Cheddar. That's a white
Then we
cheddar.
used to call it rice plants.
Oh, how do you know that? How do you know that?
7 is very good with nature.
Yeah.
Very good. Seahorse.
Yeah, right on. It's free. Let's ride it.
I'm happy we came here, guys. So such a good idea. Instead of just hanging out at home, at least we are not even far from the house, and we can play with stuff. Yeah. So we are going straight to the monkeys first, then we'll come back to the playground now. That's our agreement.
There's a fish! Mommy, there's a fish in the creek! I saw it! It was big and massive!
Really?
Yes!
Let's see.
I saw it with my own eye! Well, this one is the small one. The big one is the other side. This. Whoa, see art!
Yeah. Gorgeous art over there. Go. Wait, aren't we going this way, Sebs? The monkey is this way.
What is that forest place?
Which forest place?
I missed you. Do you know this time? What's that? The giant sword thing. This is the best. See? Let's go. Breathe in the fresh air from the Lufasi. Breathe in.
Yeah. Thank you.
What's up the athlete? The athlete.
Where is it? Is it there? Oh, that's it. Oh, that big thing there. That looks like a, look at it, like a mountain.
Yes.
This big thing, 7.
Whoa! The ant built it for millions of years.
This big thing is an anthill. Imagine breaking it, the ant that will bite. Ants will bite.
There are many ants inside there. There are queens. Yes.
There'll be one. I believe there'll be one major queen.
Yes. Very big ants. These ants that did it by themselves. Wow.
Did it by themselves.
Wow. You see? They're not like that. Ants can create something beautiful.
Yeah, that's gorgeous.
Whoa! A flower that looks, a butterfly that looks like a flower movie.
Oh, that's cute.
Everywhere. Are you ready?
I think we've gotten to the monkey place.
Okay, we'll head down.
If we want to see more fishes, we can go down there. Oh my God! And they're fighting. One is peeing, or what's happening there?
Stop too. This is Mama T and Papa T. That's their name. Yes.
And they're even moving so fast. Seven, do you know Rocky is going to get this big, I believe?
I know. Imagine these are Rocky parents. What if these are real Rocky parents? Yes.
Tell me, you know, Rocky came from. Why is that turtle bringing out so much water? I didn't even know turtles could produce that much liquid. Oh my god.
Yes.
What is this? That's so crazy to me.
This turtle is so big.
Yeah.
Like the mother is at the back of the father. This thing is big.
I don't even know. I have a feeling that the one at the back, maybe the dad. I'm not quite sure.
Now he's going to the side.
Yeah. Are they coming to say hi to you, Seven? It seems that way. Oh. To you guys? Okay, they are not. They are going their way. What?
Looking for food.
This other one is so annoying.
Wow. This one is smooth. That one is rough. Let's go. Gee.
Okay, so the first.
This one is something like they feed in their pond.
Yeah, the very first monkey on our trip. Look at this.
This one, this one is so stubborn. This one.
Why you don't? Oh, please don't throw the ball into the enclosure under any circumstance. Thank you so much, because that's not gonna come out anymore.
See the tortoises.
Tortoise. Are the tortoises? I don't even know the correct thing, honestly.
That one is back to the makeup. Wow! Mommy, come and see the bomb is blue.
Oh wow.
He's not sitting down. How is he doing like this and sitting down? No,
at the same time, right? That's so weird. I don't understand it.
Oh, there's monkeys everywhere. See, monkeys there, monkeys there, monkeys there.
Good afternoon. You have fresh palm wine?
Yes.
Oh, is it like cold in a bottle?
Yes.
How much is it?
The small one is 2,000.
Oh, I'm not. Maybe I will come back before I leave. So I'm not carrying too many things. So I'm not sure I'm ready to drink palm wine right now. Thank you.
Eric doesn't have a disease.
But it's not coming close to him now.
Oh,
It's not. I don't think he can.
actually.
Oh, but there's something on the butt. Oh wow! I thought it was. Oh, thank you for that, ma. Thank you for telling us.
What's that?
I thought it was a. It was a.
What was he doing? What's that? What is he doing?
You don't know what the period is? Wow, that's interesting. I don't know if I'm supposed to explain to you what the
What is
period
he now?
is.
This?
Maybe that's just how she behaves as a person, right? Apparently, that lady just had her period, and that's why her butt. I thought she had a disease, but she doesn't have a disease. She's just having a lady month. Wait. I should have known this is what was going on here. Oh my god.
Please, I beg Bras, what you do?
Eh? Yeah, guys, please let's move. This not what we. Let's go. Let's go, please. Can we go? Like it's making a noise. Let's go now. Thanks, guys. That was awkward. Awkward. I can't even explain what's happening here to these children. They are about to leave me to live their best lives in the sand. So there are goalposts, but be careful so that sand doesn't enter your eye. Okay. Where is Sebs? Okay, I think that's her over there. Yeah, that's her. Okay.
Nobody will watch you. Yes, I will watch you. Just wait. Okay. Let me call the text message. Wait, let me call him.
You okay? Do you need something? Water? You just drink from my own. Let me just drink some.
I just want to have fun. I know I want it too much. I know I want it too much. I don't need that on my phones. Me and my guys do ourselves. If you hate to know be my fault. That we know your phone. That we run deep. When you want that Fiji. Alasia, that Fiji. There's no one leaving. Show money for my best guy. God doing this Fiji.
You having fun? You having fun?
The competition, I am in a cyber.
King, where's 7?
I just want to have fun. I know I want it too much. I know I want it too much. I don't need that on my phones. Me and my guys do ourselves. If you hate to know be my fault. Buy for your phone. Love one GB. When you want that Fiji. Alasia, that Fiji. There's no money. Show money for my guys. I love
Guys made new friends. Let's go get some snacks. It's a food truck, but we are going over here. Good evening. Please, how much is your donuts? Huh? Donuts, how much?
800.
How much is your popcorn? What do you guys want? Then we can go. Do you sell drinks or we have to go to?
No.
So we can buy the snacks here and then go over there and buy drinks. So what do you want? Popcorn, donuts. Guys, what do you want? Or you go over there and check for snacks. You don't want any of this. Okay. How much is the popcorn? Do you have POS?
Yes, boss.
Like waiting for our ice cream.
When you are clean, just went away from people. And I met somebody who was really like me.
Oh.
And I did not say yes. Then that guy became good friend.
Oh. Cool.
Oh, shit.
That is gorgeous. But I feel like I. Says Jesus Christ. What is happening? What is happening? You're hungry? Yeah. Okay, so let's go and get water now. Doesn't make any new friends. You have a new friend. You can't just say that.
Let's go to the new place that there's grass alone.
Oh yeah. You want to roll? Oh yeah, 7 now. Are you satisfied?
Yeah, I saw one.
There's a bug. Oh, you can't put your feet in the grass like I'm doing. Ooh. Ooh. You want to Oh my god. Yeah.
Need a bottle or something. Let me do bicycle.
Korope.
What Korope is boss doing here?
Maybe we brought people like you know they have been.
You as you said Korope.
Maybe we brought people. You know that there have been parties and stuff like people that brought food, people that brought speakers.
I can't see the see grasshopper.
Grasshopper. Oh, I mean like speakers for music now. You know all of that equipment for parties.
I think the thing cannot feel.
Yeah, I can't escape because the bottle was sideways. I don't even know what it was. I saw a white hibiscus. That's gorgeous, and I need one. I hope you know. It's gorgeous.
Wow, it's very gorgeous. Let me see. Why?
Yeah.
You're saying why? I said wow. Say why?
Yeah, but we say white leg and pluck it now. And that's allowed. I shouldn't have done that. Right? I don't know. Alright, let's go. I don't know, put in my hair. What am I gonna use it for? Right there. That's what I used it for. To beautify myself.
Like your clothes.
Right. I got in the car and the radio has stopped working. Oh my god.
Wow.
Oh my god.
Wow.
That's true annoying.
You know that.
Background sun. Eric and he came to buy a cake for their mom. It's her birthday tomorrow. And this is our cake over there.
Let's go, POS. Yeah.
They're going to write now, but he needs to pay first.
Oh, your card.
Okay, see, here's with the cash.
No, this one's 16, 17. Oh, this one's.
Yeah, so there's change now.
Yeah. Okay. I used to have this thing in his house very, very squeeze.
I thought it was pancake.
It's almost like, so this gizzard. She wants beef, normal meat. So 3 of them want beef. How much is masa?
200.
Give us one masa, let's try. But you will not remove it, though. You give us with our stick, yeah? You won't remove it from the stick, oh.
I see the money.
Okay, one is 200. One is 200. You guys want to try it? The masa. You want to try one? Or we should share one?
No, let us just, all of us should just share one.
And just taste tiny, or we should share 2.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, since we are 4. Okay, please give us 2 masa. So you guys will share one. What? Where?
Okay, so the thing looks like egg.
What, Mama? Thank you. It's okay. I had drink now. Sorry. Good evening. Please have lettuce. She's not there. Uh-oh. What do we do? Seven and I are going to help Pearl put the lights in her chicken's home for the night, because she always puts the lights. And so we just pray for us that this chicken doesn't escape. Because if it escapes, there's nothing I'm going to do this night. I won't be able to get them back inside.
Yeah,
She puts it on the net.
Yeah, but this chicken.
We did it. We did it. 7 and I are good chicken babysitters.
Actually, it's
Alright,
true.
7 times take it back.
You know that this chicken is
Let's go.
actually knowing that I have been doing it.
I forgot to mention that in the midst of this day, I forgot to mention that in the midst of this day, we made our official SWG announcement. So the whole world now knows that we have an all-female executive, and that's quite exciting as well. As you can see, Seven and I are in the kitchen. Seven is about to make some cabbage sauce that she does with pepper and salt. So I'm here to give her moral support while I figure out what I want to eat. There was something else that was on my mind. God, pray for us that they bring light. There's no light. There's no light right now. You have to wash those vegetables. Just take one of the bowls and wash it. You can't just put it right in the pan. Pray for us that they bring light, because there's no light right now, and we have things in the fridge. As you know, we cooked between yesterday and this morning, and so we have a fresh batch of food. And right now, this is the inverter light that is on. So pray for us that they bring light. But yeah, we're home about to have dinner. Seven will do this while she's eating. I will take a bath and decide if I even need food. But yeah.
Thank you.
My doctor was riding my car.
I eat. High.
It's high, that's the highest. And Seven, see what Seven did to the cabbage. She pinched it like a rat. And I'm just going to put the other stuff in the fridge.
5 seconds.
5 seconds rule. She knows 5 seconds rule. I didn't even know that she knew that. Where did you know 5 seconds rule from? TikTok. Interesting. You need like a thing, a frying thing. I'm going to put salt and some pepper. So this is all you're having. You don't want onions with it or anything.
Yeah.
My 7-year-old child eats sauteed cabbages with nothing else.
Onion.
Stick knife. Sorry. You need to put us, darling. You said it's hot, flaky, delicious. Good job, chef. 7, and I made the same cabbage thing, just that I have some mushrooms and some eggs. We didn't use any oil over here like mother. I don't know if you get the TikTok reference. For dessert, we have some unsweetened Greek yogurt, some granola, and some honey. As you can hear, the child that has been eating is desperate to try it. We're about to go to bed. I'm exhausted, and on that note, see you next vlog.